Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. Today is a collab with Ebony Laverne, and we will be doing a Get Ready With Me self-care day in the life, mama life today. And I'm so excited to be doing this collab with her. She is one of my favorite and best YouTuber friends in the community. We talk pretty much every day. I just love her spirit and I just love her. So I'm about to have her go ahead and introduce herself in this next clip, alright?
Hello loves and welcome. My name is Ebony from Ebony Laverne. I'm a wife and a mom of two beautiful girls and an educator that lives in the Atlanta, Georgia area. On my channel you will find cleaning motivation, days in the life, decorating motivation, and of course real life moments and so much more. If you are down with that and my energy just the same, make sure you stop by Ebony Laverne when you are finished watching this beauty's video and consider subscribing and joining the fam. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment and introduce yourself because I love chatting with my squad. See you soon.
Alright, so as you see, I was getting up and I said my prayers and the doggies got me up, and guess where we're going? Take the doggies out to go poo-poo and pee-pee, okay? But before they go out, they have to sit down for at least 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. They have to sit down or that door will not open, and if they pee on my floor, they get disciplined. So right here, I'm telling them sit down, sit down, sit down, and then eventually I have to force the butts down. And then we're gonna go right into, after that, we're gonna go right into self-care. You know, we as parents, we don't take enough time for self-care, especially moms. You know, we take care of everything in the house, cook, clean, whatever the child needs, whatever the husband needs. Not saying that the husband don't do a lot. And we, you know, if you have a husband, we normally do it together. It's a team type thing. And so, you know, sometimes it takes a toll on us and we just got to do some self-care at home. So today I decided to do a face mask, and so that's what we're doing. And just enjoy the rest of the video. And if you haven't yet decide to go ahead and join our family, I implore you to join our family. We are real, relatable, and we are loving. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and go to DAT Family 5. Go down below, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to go over to my boo's channel. The link will be down below. Click her video and subscribe to her family also, because I really enjoy being part of her family. Thank y'all so much. I'll be back to y'all soon.
Before you get it, baby, show me your soul, and honey, I'll
What's this? It's a pumpkin. Not a real pumpkin. Just well. We'll get it.
baby,
Good morning. No, Papa. What's wrong? What's wrong? Go wash your face, get ready. Go take a shower, actually, because you stink.
Y'all have time for the shower.
You do have time. It's only 7:15. Go take a shower, stinky.
All right, go take a shower.
Now, then go take a shower. So it's called Hey Honey, Take Away the Drama. Use boosting honey copper peel off mask. Exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama. All skin types. This 10 to 15 minutes facial has been crafted to dramatically fight signs of tired and stressed skin, leaving incredibly smooth, vivid, and radiant skin. Can be used 2 to 3 times a week. You see a little bit? Go take a shower.
Take a shower. Go. Take a shower.
So I'm gonna let this dry. And she's about to get in our shower. Why? I don't know. Be back soon.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.
Starting to eat oil.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.
I have been called, or asked to be called into it.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do.
I don't want to go to work.
I'm so
I have studying to do. Go to work today. Go in my bed. Straighten my room. Straighten my bathroom. Try to do the front real quick. Study today. Now I need block to my face. One of my favorite doctors at work. He's oily. They're always telling me, blot your face, sir. Blot your face.
And I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel.
I got blue deodorant.
It's just what I do when
And that's okay. I don't feel like it doesn't work, but I have to get used to it. So right now, this is what's close to me.
when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
from the first time I saw ya. You were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. No stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. Like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. The one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.
Got my head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lies be on the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling free.
Why you have the logo?
I was loving you.
Are you running out of?
Now things are moving along and I'm picking up speed. I'm singing my own songs and making
Okay, I don't know why I look orange, but hey, it's alright. It has been 4 hours. 4 hours. Y'all, it is 4 o'clock. 4:54. almost 5 hours. I took like 10 to 15 minutes to get something to eat. Douglas bought me some lunch and some water and some Coke and some pork rinds. They're not healthy, but they're good. They're good. Kids have eaten, did their chores, and so now I'm literally gonna take like a half an hour nap before we go out to Uber. So on Friday nights we either do family Friday nights, which I think we're still gonna do a little bit of that tonight, and me and Douglas goes out to Uber Eats. That is Sean Yvonne messaging me. So yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait to put this up. Oh yeah, and this is a collab. Did I tell y'all this is a collab with Ebony Laverne? Yes, that is my boo, and I will let y'all know what's going on. Love you guys. I'll be back after my nap for like a half an hour because this girl brain is tired. Microbiology sucks. DNA, RNA, transcription, replication. I mean, why do our bodies gotta do? But our bodies are so amazing. It's just, oh, the science is so much. Do you understand how much science is in our bodies? Everybody's body is the same. You may have some genetic mutations, but everybody's body is the same. So I'm gonna take my nap, and I'll be back. I love you guys.